man ni 1 hour.
Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Young wedding reception. I want to go to people in love, bound to love and cherish each another, and live as till death do us part. And of course, those famous lines are just only a beginning of our truly signified reunion of Mr. and Mrs. Young. At dahil po ang tayo lahat ngayon po ay humapalit ng isang masigabong Thank you so much for your energy and love. And this time I'd like to acknowledge, of course, the Whitmore Studio family of the bride. Are you still around? Pwede ka magawa naman dyan. Family of the bride. And to family of the groom. Ay, wapin ko din eh. Family of the groom. Asa, parang namin daw nag-prepare sa ilang dance presentation. And the rest of the family, friends, and relatives, church people, and loving bride and groom. Very short, precise, pero grabe. Ang energy na, we're getting pure. And And as of the moment, I'd like to request the dancer because this time. Pwede mo bang maimbitahan lahat ng married couple? Dito tayo sa gitna and share also your graceful
Go, go, go!
Please come. Requesting all the witnesses, our married couple, to please come and join here. Because this is, we're always there to one another for your new journey, or to your new journey as husband and wife. So after the calligraphy, please join us here in the center stage.
Everyone. Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to Jan and Lorraine for this opportunity. Naman taon na po ito gamit nagamit yung handa pa. Bitaw ay kailangan. I try my best lang to speak in English para maka-understand sila. I'm not fluent, so don't judge. Okay, seriously, I want to say thank you for Lorraine. Thanks to Lorraine because of this opportunity to be here, maid of honor. Tama ba tama? It's a role that I never took lightly, so so I am grateful that I am here to your special day. I am part of it. So by the way, those who don't know me, I'm Emily, and I'm single and so since Lorraine is my cousin as well as my friend and like a sister to me, I can honestly say that she's one of the most amazing person that I know, Char. So, ano man, she's kind, she's thoughtful, she's caring, lalo na siyang family, no? She's incredibly strong, she's funny, no? She's pretty, Wow, girl, almost perfect. But we just all know, nobody's perfect. So, Jan, Jan ako, stop, look, and listen. Jan, please embrace Lorraine's not only her strength, but also her imperfections. I have been seeing that you truly love her and you took care of her. So for that, I am eternally grateful to you. And I would like to say thank you. Thank you for making my cousin happy, Chor. So as you invite to this new journey together, I want to share a few pieces of advice as a single. So I hope it will help you and guide you throughout the years to come. So first, please always communicate to each other openly and honestly. Although it's a bit difficult now because you speak in different languages, but please never afraid to share your thoughts, your fears, and your dreams with each other. Second, always make sure that you have time. You have time to each other. Even though life gets busy, always make time to each other. And the last but not the least, the most important one, always center Jehovah God in your marriage so it may succeed and endure. So, Mr. and Mrs. Yang, you can trust that I will always pray for your happiness. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Emily, for a dazzling message. Wow, summarize naman ni Ma'am Emily.
From this day on, I will be everything that you need, and I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me. This love we got is deeper than Hold me close, don't let. I promise I'm yours.